Hi, my name is Rohit. When I decided that I want to join NID, I was looking for a place that would give me some sort of coaching, that would give me like a slight edge, or maybe send me prepared for the exam. And I found out BRDS online actually, and I came to Ahmedabad, and I can tell you it's helped me a lot. What I was looking for in BRDS specifically was the previous year's question papers, so that I could solve them, and first-hand experience of what it is like to solve a question paper before I actually get to do it at NID. And I can say I got that, and the mock interviews that they have here really help you to understand where you can make your changes before you face the actual thing. And now that I've gotten, I can say that if it wasn't for BRDS, I might not be where I am.